They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, put it and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me that when I was passing by. And now I beg to see you then just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. Just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do that things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I say, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. And you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. Just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do that things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, put it and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me that when I was passing by. And now I beg to see you then just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time. Just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do that things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I say, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. And you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you, see you, see you every time.
Alright kids, boys and girls, you back again. Another space painting adventure. This one's called Psalm's World. Psalm is my friend from Thailand, my heart. So Psalm means orange in Thai. So I saw Psalm with the wave the other night on videos. Didn't really come out as I planned, but still kinda clean for as fast as I did it. Just a little bit of orange in your life. You know what I'm saying? In these strange hard times, you gotta stay strong. Gotta find other outlets to stay busy. This is one of them for me. Holla at your boy. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Trying to get to these 2,000 subs. Trying to get paid without getting paid. You know what I mean? I'm trying to earn my way. Been doing this for a long time. Hit that hit that subscribe button so you know when the next video comes out. Boom, it's for you to learn. Even though I'm not talking through my videos, I just let it play through. I give a short version and a long version. The short version's usually for me. It's like a log for myself, and the long version is for you guys. So anytime you see one video, there should be one behind it following. Alright, my friends? Peace and love. Stay strong. Stay safe. Holla at your boy.